In this video, we're going to install this front lower shield on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove this shield, use a 15mm socket, take these 4 bolts out. And lower the shield. Now slide the shield in place and get the bolts started. And the 2 down below. And we'll snug these up. Not too tight, just snug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.